guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can set up two monitors on your PC. Plug in your monitors to the PC, of course. Then to set it up, just right click and then select display setting here, and you're going to see two monitors instead of one. So this is my main display. It's on my bigger monitor, and here's my second one. You can even identify it, and you can even move it to the right and then make this my main display. Don't forget to press apply. I'm not going to though, but if you want to make the second monitor your main display, you can do that. So my second monitor is to the left, so that's why I placed this on the left side instead of the right. If I put it on the right, it's going to be weird, so make sure it's like this, then select apply. It's going to look the same because yeah, I just added the settings the same because I don't really want to mess it up. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!